Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate website development with WordPress step by step clearly. Start by defining your project requirements clearly. Choose a domain name that reflects your brand or purpose. Select a reliable web hosting provider that supports WordPress. Register your domain name through your hosting provider or a third-party registrar. Log into your hosting account and locate the WordPress installation section. Use the one-click install option offered by your host for simplicity. Follow the prompts to set up your WordPress installation. Set up a secure and unique admin username and password. Access your new WordPress site by going to your domain followed by /wp-admin. Once logged in, select a theme that suits your project needs from the Appearance tab. Consider using a page builder plugin to further customize your site. Install the page builder by navigating to Plugins and clicking Add New. Search for popular builders like Elementor or Beaver Builder and click Install. Activate the page builder plugin after installation. Create essential pages such as Home, About, and Contact through the Pages menu. Use your page builder to design these pages visually for a professional look. Install additional plugins to automate tasks like SEO, backups, and performance. Go to Plugins, click Add New, and search for top-rated options like Yoast SEO and Updraft Plus. Configure each plugin according to your site needs. Set up an SEO strategy using your chosen SEO plugin to optimize your content. Create a content calendar for regular updates and blog posts. Utilize automation tools like Zapier to connect your WordPress site with other apps. Schedule posts within WordPress to maintain consistent content distribution. Consider using a social media automation tool to share your posts automatically. Test your site for mobile friendliness using Google's Mobile Friendly Test tool. Ensure that all your links, images, and functionalities are working correctly. Finally, launch your WordPress site for the public. Monitor the performance using analytics tools to gather insights on user behavior. Make adjustments and improvements based on the data you collect. Stay updated with the latest WordPress features and security practices to keep your site running smoothly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.